The church was not built on Peter. There are different interpretations. Literally, if you take, it looks like that. But now scripture scholars say, the foundation of the church is not Peter. The foundation of the church is God himself, who is the rock. Peter is the first leader of the church, because somebody has to lead, All cannot be leaders. So Peter was given the responsibility to lead the church of God. And he was given the power also. But the power was given not to suppress or oppress others, but rather to serve. And then Jesus tells his disciples that he will suffer in the hands of scribes and Pharisees, and they will kill him, but on the third day he will rise again. They did not understand. And Peter takes objection. He gets angry with Jesus. No, that is not possible with you. And Jesus tells Peter, get away from me, you Satan. Jesus calls Peter Satan because Peter was thinking in human terms. Jesus didn't come to establish an earthly kingdom. He came to establish God's kingdom. And in God's kingdom, in God's plan, he has to suffer, he has to die, but he will be raised on the third day by his Father. That is our life too. Many times, Catholics come to us, especially in the confession, and share their all problems, difficulties and all. But the common thing is, why am I suffering? I have sinned, but not any major sins. Why there is so much of pain in my life? There is no answer. The answer is what Jesus is given. The followers of Jesus have to go through the same path Jesus has gone.